Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you the past and the past quantity index, no? And the Laspeyres price index. Now there's a question on question 2. It reads as follows: the table below shows the change in consumption levels for the three grocery items, oats, sugar, and tea, from 1992 to 1998. There's the table. Now I'm going to do 2.1.3 and 2.1.4 because 2.1.1 and 2.1.2 have already done them on previous videos, so you can check them when you have time. Now, it is wise to start with those questions on 2.1 and 2.1.2, and then come to these ones, 2.1.3 and 2.1.4. Now, let's start with 2.1.3. Find the past quantity index of the three grocery items, the past quantity index. Now, the formula for the past quantity index is as follows. It's like this. This is sum of P into PB multiplied by QC, all divided by sum over PB multiplied by QB, like this, and then times 100. That is the formula for the past quantity index. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to calculate the past quantity index and also calculate the past price index, so that you can see the difference, because the formulas are quite similar, but there are small differences. So I want you to know the differences. 1998, the prices of 1998 are the current prices, because 1998 is regarded as the current year, and also the quantities are the current quantities according to this statement. Now, this is a formula for the past quantity index, so we are required to calculate the past quantity index. So this price is from 1992 and this from 1998, which means this is PC and this is PB, base price, this is current price. Then these quantities are from 1992, so these are QB and these QC. This is the current quantity, this is the base quantity. So here the formula says PB times QC, which is the base price times the current quantity. Base price times current quantity, which means this is the base price and this is the current quantity, because the current year is 1998. That's why we choose the quantity from 1998, because the formula says QC, which is the current quantity. The current quantity is from 1998. So PB times QC. So to make it easy, I would advise you to draw a small table like this one that I'm going to draw now, which has 1, 2, 3 rows. 3 rows, ne? 2 columns, 3 rows, like this one. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So it's 3 rows, 2 columns. Now we're going to sum these, or we are going to sum these PB times QC like this. This is PB, this is QC. So 10,95 times 400. 10,95 times 400. So this column here is for PB times QC. It's PB times QC. I hope it is clear. This is PB times QC, no, not QB. PB times QC. It's this one. So hence I said 10,95 times 400. This is QC, this is PB. 10,95 times 400 is equal to 4,380. Then you're going to write here 4,380. And then go to the second one. 14,25 times 180. 14,25 times 180. It's 2,565. 2,565. Then the last one, 5,89 times 160. 5,89 times 160. It's 942,4. 942,4. So this symbol means sum, which means we are going to total these, or we are going to sum these figures in order to get the sum of PB times QC. So let's sum them. 4,380 plus 2,565 plus 942,4 is equal to it's 7,887,4. That is the sum of PB times QC. It's 7,887,4. Divide. Then we want the sum of PB times QB. PB times QB. So PB times QB, like that. So This is PB, the base price, and this is QB, the base quantity. So we are going to use the base price and the base quantity as per the formula. Now it's 10.95 times 370. 10.95 times 370. 10.95 times 370. 4.051, 5, 4051, 5, like that, 4051, 5, and then go to the second one. It's 14.25 times 180. No, we're using the base quantity, so it's 14.25 times 214 times 214. This is the base quantity, not this one. This one. So it's 14.25 times 214. It's 3049.5. 3049.5. 49.5. Then go to the last one. 5.89 times 145. 5.89 times 145 is equal to 854.05. 854.05. 854.05. And then we sum the figures or the values. So 4055 and 51, 4051, 5 plus 3049.5 plus 854.05. Then the answer is 7955.05. So this is the sum. It's 7 9 5 5.05 times 100. Now let us calculate the past. So we're going to calculate the past quantity index like this: 788, 7.4 over 7955.05. Then multiply by 100. So the answer is 99.150. 99.150. I will round off. So the answer is 99.150%. So when the percentage is less than 100, which means there was a decrease in the quantity of those products. So we're going to check the difference. So the difference is the decrease. 100 minus 99,150. So there was a decrease of 0.85% in the quantity of those three grocery items, So your interpretation will go like that. You will say there is a decrease of 0.85%. There is a decrease of 0.85% in the quantity of the three grocery items. So that if you read that statement on 2.1, we are calculating price and quantity index for those three grocery items. That statement reads as follows: the table below shows the change in consumption levels for the three grocery items. And that's why I wrote three grocery items, because this is about the three grocery items. Now, without wasting time, I'm gonna calculate the past price index. Past price index. So the formula will be as follows. Past, it stands for past price index. So this will be like this. This is past quantity index. So it's equal to the sum of PC times QC. You see, the formula is not the same. Here there was PB times QC, but here there's PC times QC. Then divide by the sum, which is PB times QC. Here the prices were the same. We were using the base prices, but the quantities were changing. Here there was QC and there's QB, but here the QC are the same, the quantities are the same, but the prices are not the same. Here there's a current price, then here there's a base price. So that is the difference. So you need to be meticulous when you are studying these formulas. Now, as far as I can tell, PB times QC, we already have them there, PB times QC, but here is on the bottom of the formula. So the total or the sum of PB times QC, it was 7,887.4. So in the bottom of our formula, we have 7,887.4 887.4, because that is PB times QC. There's PB times QC. That's why we are writing it in the bottom of our formula, because PB times QC is in the bottom. Is at the bottom of our formula. So we are going to calculate the sum of PC times QC. So I think we are just gonna add another column, which is PC times QC. PC is the current price and the QC is the current quantity. So 11,5 times 400. 11,5 times 400 is 4,600. 15,95 times 180. 15,95 times 180 is equal to 2,871. And then the last one, 7,25 times 160. 7,25 times 160. It's 1,160. So we want the sum. I'm going to sum the figures. 4,600 plus 2,871 plus 1,160 is equal to 8,631. So PC times QC is 8,631 times 100, always times by 100. So the past price index is 8,631 over 7,887.4 times 100. So the answer is 109,428. 109,428. 109,428%. So this one is over 100, which means there is an increase. There is an increase. So we're going to take the difference from 100. So that difference would be an increase. 09,428 minus 100. So the increase is 9,428. 9,428. So you are going to say there is an increase or an increment, of 9,428 to 8 in the price of the 3 grocery items. Excuse the writing. So there is an increase of 9.428%, yeah, in the price of the 3 grocery items. So my work here is done.